Hi guys, today I have an exciting video for you. I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag along with a review on the bag. Now I got this bag in February and I did an unboxing on it, which I will link down below if you're interested in watching it. It's pretty dramatic. So since I've had this bag for quite a while, I thought I could give a solid review on it, so that's what I'm going to do. And it is the Stella McCartney Mini Falabella bag, and I absolutely love it. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous. So what I really love about this bag, it is a crossbody, and it's not too big either, because I don't really carry around that many things with me. But if you are someone who does carry around like everything you own, then I would go for the next size up, which is called the small, or I even go for the large, but I think the large is like huge. So this is the perfect size for me. Carries around all my necessities, and yeah, it's just perfect. So let's see what's in here. I don't even know what's in here. It's gonna be a surprise. Alright, first of all, I have these like little perfume sample papers, like what you spray perfume on to smell, and these are from Ulta, which I go to a lot. I go in Ulta and I just go in and spray like perfume all over me, or I spray them on these, and I just like to smell perfume all day. That's something I do for fun. I don't even know why I'm smelling these. They don't even smell anymore. Yeah. I also have a pad in here because really, you need to be prepared. You never know when you're going to need one of these. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. But I have one just to be smart, just to be safe. Don't want to have any accidents. I also have my Ray-Bans, which I love. I can't open. These are the, I think they call them the mirrored lenses. Or the reflective, I don't know. But these are in the rose gold. They're so pretty. So yeah, got my sunglasses. I also have my little card holder. This is my little unicorn. Is that a unicorn? Do unicorns have wings? I didn't know they have wings. I don't know, but this unicorn has wings. And this is from Ted Baker. My mom got this for me for Christmas, and I love it. I think it's just really cool. I like how you can hold a lot of cards in here. You have these 3 compartments, even though I don't really have that many cards in here right now. And then you have these slots right here, and then another one in the back, and then it also zips open, which is nice. Sometimes I'll put some cash in here or some change, but you obviously really can't fit that much. So yeah, in here I have a receipt from the bank. It's like I deposited some money. I have my Ulta rewards card. Love Ulta, as you can probably tell. I have my little Panera member card because I love Panera. They have the best chicken noodle soup. The pastries are really good too. And then I have a little what is this, a Pierceology card. It's where I got my piercings done. And then I have another one for some reason. I also have my MAC membership student card. This expired, unfortunately. I can't get a discount anymore because I'm not a student. Finally graduated. And then I have my driver's license. I look very amused in this picture, I'd say. And then I have my debit card and my Giant Eagle card. So yeah, that's all I have in here. It does fit quite a lot of cards. I also like to carry around a little change purse too, because sometimes I do have money. Sometimes I do have cash and I do have change. And believe it or not, I've had this little change purse for, I want to say, about 15 years maybe. I've managed to hold on to it for that long. This is my grandma's. She gave it to me when I was about 6, I'd say. And yeah, I've had it ever since. This is vintage. I'm holding on to this. So yeah, I do have some cash in here. Some change as well. I also have this little car, which is from my boyfriend because he knows that I love Trans Ams. Let's see that. So cool. It's a cool little car. And then I have my very big and obnoxious keys. I also have, in this bag, there really aren't many compartments. So inside, all it has is just like this little like slot thing right here. And in there is the like Stella McCartney like card that came with the purse. This is Stella McCartney. And that really cool like writing. I think that's really cool. And on the back it just kind of says like, just kind of tells about the purse. And then I also have a little ginger chew. These are so good. These are like little ginger candies. I like to have them after a meal or just whenever. They're really good. And that is all I have in here actually, believe it or not. I mean, like I said, I don't really carry much around with me. You can obviously fit a lot more than I have in here. But the thing is, if this bag does get too heavy, since it has a chain strap, and if you're wearing it over like your shoulder like this, or across your body, oh my god, this is freezing. Woo! That is really cold. Woo! It does like dig into your shoulder if it's too heavy. So if you're carrying this around for like an extended period of time, it will start to hurt. So yeah, I avoid this bag if I'm gonna have like a long day out somewhere and I'm like walking around and doing stuff, because it does start to hurt. But I feel like if you are wearing like a coat or a jacket or a sweater or whatever, you won't have that problem. But like in the summer when you're not wearing much, it will like dig into your bone and it will hurt. So that's really my only complaint about this bag. Other than that, I absolutely love it. It's just so pretty. And this is the shaggy deer skin. Is that what they call it? Deer skin? Shaggy deer skin? I don't know. But that's what this is. So it kind of does have like a little bit of like a shimmery look to it. I think like the leather ones just have more of like a leather look without kind of like that shimmer. I like that personally. That's why I got it. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of more, it kind of feels like suede. So I think like the leather one will feel more like leather. I'm not sure. But yeah, I really like the feel of this. It's worn nicely. And yeah, I really like this material. The inside is like this rose color. And then it says, like, I think it says Stella McCartney all over it. Yeah. But what really attracted me to this bag was the chain detailing. I think that it's really different and unique. It's very, like, simple but sleek looking. And very, I don't know, kind of edgy, too. I really like that. And they also have a lot of colors, too, in this. I thought the black would just be timeless and it would just go with everything. So yeah, so pretty. And for the price, I think it's definitely worth it. I absolutely love it. I mean, when I first bought it, I did kind of think, wow, that's kind of a lot to spend on the bag, but it's a very nice bag. It's very pretty and it will last a long time. So it was definitely worth that investment. This was $870, but with tax and everything it came to about $930, I want to say. So yeah, pretty expensive, but definitely worth it. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I have to say about this. I'm trying to think. I don't know, I love it. I would definitely buy more from Stella McCartney. So I hope you all enjoyed this little review and just showing you all my junk that I keep in my bag. So thanks for watching. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.